What makes asset and wealth management data and analytics uniquely hard, and why does a Lakehouse approach fit?
AWM blends multi-asset data, high-volume market ticks, reference data, positions, and client info, often fragmented across warehouses, marts, and vendor feeds. That drives latency, inconsistent definitions, and brittle governance. A Lakehouse consolidates storage and compute with open formats, enabling low-latency pipelines, unified access controls, and reproducible analytics across research, risk, and reporting without duplicating data products.
How would you map a Databricks reference architecture to AWM, end-to-end?
Start with batch and streaming ingestion from market data, trades, positions, and client systems into Delta Lake Bronze and Silver and Gold. Use Unity Catalog for centralized governance, fine-grained access, and lineage. Build features with ML and Feature Store, orchestrate with workflows, and serve via SQL warehouses, notebooks, and APIs. Consumption patterns include semantic layers for buy, model endpoints for quant and risk, and data sharing for vendors and downstream apps.
For front office teams, what does Databricks change in alpha research and portfolio construction?
It centralizes factor libraries and signal pipelines so quants can compute features at scale on consistent, governed datasets. Backtests become reproducible with version delta tables and tracked code and artifacts, reducing it worked on my notebook issues. Portfolio construction can integrate constraints, transaction cost models, and scenario data in the same environment, and the team can operationalize research into scheduled pipelines or model endpoints without replatforming.
How do risk and compliance teams use the Lakehouse for near real-time risk and regulatory needs?
Streaming positions and market moves can feed incremental VAR and stress calculations, while scenario expansion runs in parallel for intraday updates. Surveillance rules can score trades and communications metadata against patterns, with outputs stored as auditable delta tables. Unity Catalog lineage and immutable logs support traceability for model inputs and outputs and regulatory reporting, and pre-built reporting templates could accelerate recurring filings without losing control over validation steps.
What are the strongest client and operations use cases on Databricks for AWM?
Client 360 unifies holdings, interactions, suitability, and digital behavior with governed joins, enabling personalization and next best action models. Performance reporting benefits from consistent benchmarks and time series calculations on Delta, reducing reconciliation loops. Operational analytics can stream runtime events, trade breaks, failed reconciliations, delayed NAVs, into SLA dashboards with alerting. Data quality rules and expectations can be enforced as contracts so downstream apps trust freshness and completeness.
If you had to execute this, what phased rollout and operating model would you recommend?
Phase 1 Foundation. Define governance, Unity Catalog domains, data contracts, and connectivity and security baselines. Phase 2 MVP. Pick one domain, say intraday risk or factor pipelines, deliver a thin vertical slice with SLAs and cost visibility. Phase 3 Scale. Standardize shared features, semantic layer, and reusable pipelines across teams. Operating model. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, FinOps chargeback, control testing, and runbooks for reliability and compliance.